Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to put together your Showglower podium. This is a tool-free assembly, so let's get started. Once you remove the contents from your carrying case, we're going to attach the bars to the countertop and the base of the display. Start by identifying the base of the display. The base of the display will have the light strips attached to it, and simply line up the numbers on the bars with the numbers on the base and screw in like so. Repeat this process for the rest of the bars on the base. So once your bars are screwed into the base of the display, repeat the exact same process for screwing in the bars to the countertop of the display, like so. Okay, so now that our bars are screwed in on our countertop and on our base, we're going to lower the countertop onto the base, combining the bars to create our podium. So just pick up the countertop and carefully lower it onto the base. All right, so now that we lowered the countertop onto the base of the display, it's now time to attach our graphic. Note that the side of the graphic with the zipper is the back side of the graphic and thus should be the back side of your podium. To identify the back side of your podium, identify the power cord protruding from the bottom of the base, and that side will be the back of your Showglower podium. Simply pull the graphic entirely over the top of the counter and feed the graphic's rubber gasket into the top section's groove. And make your way around the countertop like so. Next, to attach the bottom portion of the graphic, we're going to have to carefully tip the product on its side or flip it over on the top completely on a clean surface and do the exact same process of pushing that rubber gasket into the base's groove, like so. So again, just tip it, and you can press the gasket in this way or flip it upside down completely and press it in this way. Okay, so now that the bottom portion of the graphic is installed, zip the back of the graphic and tip it right side up. And now it's time to plug in our podium. So simply plug the end of your power cord into the cord protruding from the base on the back side of your podium, and then plug the three-pronged end of your power cord into a power source. And there you have it. With it now lit up, your Showglower podium is now ready for use.